Hello guys, this is MA. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here and find this video helpful, please subscribe now, share, give a thumbs up, and click the bell notification to get more updated. So today's video, I'm going to unbox and show you some demo, and I will give a review of this machine that I got from our local store here in France, and the name of the store is Action. It's a cheaper and discounted store like a dollar store in the US or Yakuen in Japan. So this is it. I do card making, scrapbooking, and invitation. So I'm searching for a cheaper hot foil machine, and I'm glad that I found this tool, and I got this last week. So I would like to have a mink foil applicator machine, but it's quite expensive. But I know it's a good quality or a good product. But for a starter like me or a beginner like me, I prefer to buy a cheaper one for this moment. So here's the hot foil applicator starter kit. And this is from Crafts&Co company. I guess they are from Netherlands. So this is not a sponsor. And I purchased this at the price of 12.95 euro, and it's a great deal for a starter kit. So let's check in the other side. So here are all the procedures of how it works. First is the printed card. Then you have to overlap the foil sheet, then run to your machine, peel it off, and you will see the result. So let's check at the back. Here you can see all the function of this machine, and it's suitable up to A4 size paper, and the warming up time is from 3 to 5 minutes. And it comes with 5 gold foil sheets, 5 silver foil sheets, and carrier sheets. I think the carrier sheets is where you're going to sandwich your project. And it also comes with 10 pieces of A6 design cards, and it has 6 languages for the manual guide. So this is at 220 to 240 volts. And here at the back you can see all the 10 different design, and I love the design. So here it says create your own design with a laser printer. So to those who don't know yet, when you're using a hot foil applicator, your card must printed in a laser printer. So let's begin to unbox, and I will show you later. Okay, let's do the unboxing, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So excited, and this is my first machine. Okay, here. So these are the 10 A6 printed cards and the foil. It's quite smaller, but it's okay. So these are the 10 A6 design card. So this one is the foil, the silver and the gold. So these are the samples. I love the design, and this one, good vibes only. the design, oh, I love this. And the thank you design, I love the design. Happy birthday card or hello and other stuff. So I love all the designs. So let's check the machine first if there's a crack. So it's okay. So in this part, this is where you're going to feed or slide your project. And here, as you can see, once it turns red, it means that this is the power is on. And next is the green light, which means that it's ready to use. Next is the foil, and it means that you're using the foil or hot laminating. Next is the turn off button, and the last is the cold laminating. So to click the button is here. This one in the middle is the turn off button, and here the one line is for cold laminating, and in the other side, the two lines, it means for hot laminating or for foiling. So at the back, once you insert your project, it will come out here in the side, and don't pull it off, and it will come out here automatically. So here is the manual, all the instructions from 1 to 7. And the specification of this machine is the maximum paper thickness is 400 GSM. And the size of this machine is 390 by 145 by 98 millimeters. And the time ready is about 3 to 7 minutes before you start your project. The speed is 250 mm per minute, and it has 2 rollers inside. And create your own design with a laser printer. And for a big project, place a regular paper A4 size on the top instead of the carrier sheets. So let's do the demo and let's check what's the result. So I already plugged in, and as you can see here, it's already turned on, the red lights, and the green is already turned on, so it means it's ready to use. And for hot laminating, again, you have to press the 2 lines button here. So I will prepare for a project. I will just cut the excess part here, and let's do the demo. So while waiting for the warming up, I think the best result is after the 7 minutes, and you have to feed your project. So this is the carrier sheets, and you have to insert your card, and the silver foil must be facing up here. Just make sure that there's no wrinkles because it can cause damage. So let's try our first try. Let's check the result. It's not easy. Okay, this one is already okay. Just have to fix the wrinkles. So because it turns it on, the green light, so it's ready to feed your project here. So let's check what's the result. So you just have to wait that it will come out here automatically. And let's check our first try. This machine is good for a beginner like me This is my first ever hot foil machine. And let's try what's the result. I think it's not good. Let's check and pull it off. So, and then after you have to turn off your machine. Turn it off. And let's check what's the result. Oh, this is my first ever try for foiling. And as you can see here, there's a little bit damage, a small dot, but not bad for a first timer. And the rest is okay. I think because I didn't let it set for really flat. So as you can see the result, not bad for a first timer. For me it's okay. I just need to really flat and no wrinkles when you're going to overlap your film or your sheets. As you can see here, it's nice. And this machine is okay because you can make a cold laminating. I never try it, but I would like to try. It's not bad. Let's check for the second try. We'll do this one. Let's turn on the machine again. You just have to wait another minutes to warm it up. I have to cut the excess first. It's not easy to cut, so you have to cut it slowly. And the excess one is the excess part. You can use it in your another project, your small project. So it's already done, and let's place your card. Let's insert inside the carrier sheets. Then remember, the shiny one of the foil must be facing up. I hope at this time there is no damage. So let's check here. Then turn off your machine. Okay. Okay, our second try. Let's check. So excited. Oh. So these are the results of my first try and second try. In my first try, there are few damage, but it's okay. It's my first time, not bad. And the second one, if you can see all the damage in this part, I think it's my fault. I didn't flatten and not proper overlapping. So I need to practice, and for me this result is not bad for a first timer. And I can recommend this machine especially to those who are beginner. And if you live here in France, Belgium, Germany, or Netherlands, you can find this in Action Store, and it's very affordable. It's only 12.95 euro, and it's best for a beginner like me to practice about foiling, because foiling is not easy. If you are a beginner of hot foiling like me, it's okay to buy a cheaper one just to practice, and you will enjoy while making your project, and you will see that if there's mistakes, you can correct it in the next time. And for me, I don't use a foiling because I think it's more expensive, the foil. And once you're going to use it in an invitation, once you get a damage, you have to ask an additional fee. So this one is just only for my own project. So this machine, I can say that it's not bad for a beginner. It's cheaper and it's very handy. And if ever they said here in the manual what to do if your project gets jumped. Turn off the applicator, press the release button, and gently pull it off your project. So there is a release button here, release button. So you turn off, release. That's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the like button, and bell notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.